Hey everybody, Nathaniel Bungie here for TechSession. Today I'm bringing you my unboxing and first impressions of the Sengled Pulse Solo. Now down below and on the channel I will be linking my Sengled Pulse video. And that was where we had two of these in a little bit of a different shape, but essentially what this one is in front of us today is the Pulse Solo, a 45 watt LED light bulb plus a wireless JBL speaker. So you're going to get great sound in a smaller size than the original Sengled Pulse I checked out, and it's also going to be a lot more easily placed in nearly any fixture. Just start off with a quick tour around the box as usual. Of course, we have a picture of the product and a little bit of information. Have some of our details here. Pause it for yourself if you'd like to read that. Have the same thing on the back. Over here we have some product specifications, a little bit more information, and then some regulatory information and barcodes. On the bottom we have their website, some more information, and then at the top we have where we're going to go ahead and open this up at. First step today is to get out the trusty knife and cut through the tape, which is found on either side of the top of this box. Go ahead and get rid of that. And then we're just simply going to open it up like so and get right into it. First, we are greeted with the light bulb itself, so we can go ahead and just slide that right out. It's actually got a lot of weight to it. I'm actually pretty surprised. But the one initial concern this does bring up to me is if you have it in like a gooseneck desk lamp for something, it might pull it down if it's not strong enough. Not entirely sure, but of course the weight in here is due to the speaker, so we should be getting some pretty good sound. You can see right here we do have this metal ring around here with a plastic dome over the LED and a white body, as well as a standard E26 Edison socket. Have the Bluetooth logo because of course that's how it connects to your phone, some Sengled branding. Down here we have UL listed, so this should be pretty safe for you to use. Of course, your use cases are listed here. On the back we have a little bit more regulatory information as well as a barcode, and that's really about it just for the look of it. Off the bat, I do feel this is going to be like a really lightweight metal, and this is a glossy plastic, of course. So in my opinion, this actually looks pretty nice, but we're going to go ahead and look at what else we get in the package with this. Alright, so there's nothing else in the box except for this little packet here, which contains our manuals and warranty information, neither of which should be extremely necessary to you. Of course, we do have our model number and our product name listed on this card. It should be helpful if you ever do need to file a warranty claim. It's right there for you. Have your quick start guide here. Of course, you do want to download the app and then go ahead and pair it up with your phone. The instructions are here. And then the third and final book here is your full user manual, as it's a little bit of an in-depth product due to the fact that it's both a light and a speaker. So as far as unboxing and first impressions go, this is actually so far shaping up to be a really nice size, a lot nicer than I expected. About the size of a normal light bulb here. I would go ahead and say this should fit in any socket that you'd want it to fit in, just because it's a normal size instead of a big huge can like the original Sengled Pulse was. So Sengled Pulse Solo first impressions, I think it's going to be a great bulb to check out, and stay tuned for my full review. Till next time, this is Nathaniel Bungie from TechSession.